We are talking about Toshiba VFD OC3 overcurrent during constant speed operation. So error code could be OC3, OC3P and 003 or 0027. So it happens overcurrent during constant speed, means your VFD was working properly, it's fine. Suddenly this current is occurred into the element. So for this there could be the few reasons. One, load fluctuates, might be what is the load on your motor that is fluctuating in between, like sometimes is very high torque and sometimes is very low. Load could be fluctuate, and load is could be like higher, what is the capacity of the motor, and motor is just suddenly starting taking overcurrent. Okay, and third one could be possibility for like ground fault, like your ground fault is connected somewhere to into the like your line. Okay, this also could be the reason. So you need to first try to reduce the fluctuation of the load, and second, the check the load is not higher than your motor capacity, and third one, it could be there is the CT inside of the VFD that is reading wrong parameters. Okay, it could be the happen. So there could be total three reasons. Load is fluctuating, load is high, and ground fault, and fourth one is it could be final one, it could be that there is the problem inside the your VFD controller. There is an CT, current transformer, what is reading the current and giving to the controller, that is reading the wrong data. So if you will check these all the reasons, and you will check these all the parameters what I have explained, with that you will resolve your this problem. Probably I expect that most of chances are if you will check these things only, so this problem will be resolved properly, what you want actually to resolve. If still your problem is not resolved, so you can write a mail to us which is given here, and if you want to purchase new VFD, then also you can write here. And if you want to have one complete PDF for the training of VFD, with that you can learn each and everything about the VFD, and it will be very helpful, and you can understand what is the VFD, how it work, how to resolve the problem of this VFD. With that PDF you can get each and everything, and you can resolve your all the problems, or you can write mail.